Yo, yo. So last year, me and Pops both went and ordered a couple new Fords. I went with the black F450 high output. I added a BDS lift, powder coated everything, did the coil over conversion. Decent budget build, nothing too crazy. Now my dad ordered a 24 F450 Glacier Gray. Mine came in 3 months ago. His still hasn't came in, but he ended up finding the exact same build at a local dealer, so he went and picked it up the other day. F450 high output dually. Now Pops has a little more money than I do, so he's going with the Anylevel lift. Powder coated, 30-inch JTX wheels with 42-inch Fury tires. Now today's the day he gets it all going. We're heading down to Boss Trucks, Michigan, in Wixom. He's gonna give them the deposit, go over the build, make sure everyone's on the same page, and get it going. So this will be the last time you see this truck looking like this. She's bone stock right now, not even no window tints. A cool option he has is he's got the scale on his hitch receiver, so it can tell him what kind of tongue weight he's got. So that's kind of cool. That'll all be powder coated next. But we're about to get on the road and head to Boss Trucks. I'll see you when we get there. Yes, we live across the street from each other. My truck's still nice. Ain't on any level, but she's still sweet. Got a couple upgrades going on today too. I'll film those later. There's a deposit for the lift and the wheels. Something light. Crazy what these lifts and wheels cost these days. Crazy. Boss Trucks. What up? Trust fund would be a good one, if only it was the truth though.
He just pulled his 26s out of storage in his polish.
Hey, what size wheels are on this one?
Huh?
What are those?
26s.
26s?
On 40s.
And you got what, 42s coming?
Yeah. 42s. I really want to do 30s on 42s on this truck. I don't know. I promise I'm going to go spend the money. I guess it wouldn't matter, because if I do the Anylevel, I'll just pull them up and put these back on. Yeah, if you do a single wheel.
Oh, he's got those wheel lights in there you want. Or the, whatever they're called.
Rings?
Yeah.
Dude, you got to light that thing up like nobody's
sure.
business.
Is this the light up emblem?
Yeah, he said, you guys leave me alone
I'm
for
gonna
like
go
2 days, please.
He said, let me go sign a couple jobs and I'll be back.
Let me make sure I'm gonna work. He said, let the sun stay up and we're good.
Some love to it, needs it. But no, the Anylevels, honestly, for what they
It's
are.
hydraulic, you said, the steering isn't
Yeah,
it?
dude.
So it's gonna be
Easy. Like this truck, it's a workout to drive in the parking lot with a stock steering box. This needs the hydraulic.
because them tires grab everything.
Dude, it's a workout to drive on the open road.
You gotta get the CNC in your cradle. Something custom. Because right now, what does it say? Anylevel lift on it?
Yeah.
You let me and Chris on, and we just, I rotate the way it looks right.
Boss Trucks, Michigan. Only way to go.
Bye.